I've got a wind baffle on this video because it is one of those days where a weather front is on its way and there's little if anything we can do besides hope the house doesn't blow over. The sounds that my house makes when it catches a strong gust is pretty intense. I did a little bit of a fire, but it did not catch a lot of that green wood. That was a Halloween night kind of thing. There's this burdock growing back here that I really wish wasn't. But it's pretty well established, so it's probably not going to come out. This is my fire stir stick. You'll probably be amused to know that that's an old shower curtain rod. They work really well for fire stir sticks. They last for years and years. I don't know. I've been hiding indoors a lot today. It's cold sounding. I got a bunch of coats on now so that it is not cold feeling. It's this in-between time that's hard to adjust for. We've had below freezing nights, but not like severely below freezing. You know, like 30 degrees. 32 is 0 in Celsius, so just a little bit below freezing. Maybe like a -1 in Celsius. And, whew, it's blustery. I don't remember that trash can being there. What happened? See, this is how much wind it was. Where was this? Oh, it's an empty one. It was over there. Holy cow. Well, I don't know. Maybe I'll just... I can't one-hand that effectively anyway. Oh, knocked one of the bricks out. I need a slightly taller half brick in there because it's not staying. So, yeah, things to do include continue to move tires, continue to utilize the compost that's mostly ready, continue to build this raised bed garden, because I do want it a bit taller on this side because the slope is kind of this way, and so it's above knee height there. I'd like it to also be around the same height from the ground, which means the bricks need to step up as they go along. And since that brick piece right there is starting to lean pretty good, that's what I'm going to disassemble to finish it up. There are a few more bits of brick that the neighbor brought up. It was very, very nice of her to do that, her and her husband. I still need to collect a bunch of seeds too. Ones that I usually just ignore and let them do what they're gonna do, you know. But the snake root is something that I can collect some seeds on. And I still haven't brought in the amaranth at all. It doesn't look ready, but we're gonna be below freezing soon, so if I don't get it soon, I'll have missed it. You know? That sort of thing. The sky looks so nice, you wouldn't think that it was blustery and cold. But, following it across, look at what's coming. That's rather ominous looking, isn't it? Compared. Rather ominous. So, it's supposed to rain today, and that is probably the front edge of the rain on its way. And from there, It's supposed to be dry and much warmer for several days. Look at the wind whip through the trees. Yeah, my house creaks and clunks and thuds, but you know, that's just, whoa, oh, that's cold. I need a couple more hats if I'm gonna have a shaved head. Brr. So, I think what I wanna do is take in some of these yogurt containers or do it in the back end of the porch here and make some more plant tags so that I can, oh, that looks so ominous, so that I can label a few more things that aren't labeled yet before the knowledge of what they are is lost to their deciduous nature. It's hard to tell one stick from the other in the wintertime, you know? So I think it'll be really helpful. Maybe I could do a real quick separate video. Oh wow, there's a piece of corn cob there. We could make the labels and maybe bag up some snake root seeds, because these are the snake root seeds right here. Pew! Oh, well, that one just seeded all over this one step. Oh well. That's not what we want, but it's not the worst thing ever either. Oh geez, it's been picking up my boxes from the top. I guess I gotta start weighting my boxes down again. So that's gonna smother some things if I'm not careful. Get impaled on the, that's funny. Oh wow, it smells like catnip down here. Why? Oh, who knows? That's weird. I think this is some sort of hickory. It has a very slight sweet jugulone smell to it. It's got a bit of a materials prepped up against it, but I think that's some sort of hickory. It's gonna be kept coppiced, so hopefully it can end up, now there's tent worms up in there. Hopefully it can end up happy enough. I guess we'll find out. Let me know what you think. And yeah, I guess, whew. We got, oh, what's this? Clove currant or buffalo currant there. I got a little bit of material. It's a piece of desktop from an old desk that didn't work out for me. That was propped forward, but the wind's been going back and forth and it's got no soil behind it, so it fell against the dirt. I wanna take care of that, extending that. This is a tree of heaven, the awful invasive thing. Whereas what's right next to it is, this is a sumac. There you go. Sumac, which is native, suckering, but native at least. And tree of heaven. So there you can see the young plant leaf differences. Yep. Oh, losing my balance. Okay. Oh, now I see snake root seeds. They're all through here too. Down here, I'll just let them all go, because the more of them putting roots into the cliffside in a way that's going to deter the deer from eating everything, the better. All right. come up to my pile of cardboard here. I hope I didn't end up getting my address in frame. I hate when I have to take care of that, but that's the method for weighting it down. I should probably start better peeling my address labels off. But anyway, yep. Cold as heck, honestly. My hand's starting to feel a little frozen. I'm gonna have to get gloves for the next one, but not as cold as some people are experiencing. It's just colder than I've been used to, and I'm not adjusting too well. And yeah, oh, I feel the drips. It's definitely a label making kind of day, and a bit of a day to kind of shelter up a bit, I guess. That's all right. Oh yeah, it's definitely raining now. Okay, well, happy first day in November. Very appropriate weather for my region. Cold, driving rain on its way. That will shortly after be followed by warmer weather for a while. Kind of typical.